Okay, so what I want to do here is show how to install the BabelConnect app in Zendesk. And I'm logged in. You have to be logged in as an admin in your Zendesk, and as you can see, I'm going to start in this case with an existing BabelConnect app, which we're going to need to remove and then replace with the new one. Obviously, if you're installing it for the first time, then you will not need to get rid of the one in the first place. Okay, so what will you need to do this? You'll need to choose and download the particular version of the BabelConnect app that you want. There's versions for each region, so I'm going to install mine in the EU EMEA region. So I'm just going to download that. It's downloading now. It's going to be a zip file, which is what's expected by Zendesk for the upload. If you go to the little cogwheel admin section inside Zendesk and go to manage, then you should take away the application that's already there. I'm just going to disable it and uninstall it. Uninstall the app. Okay. Now if I go back and look at my ticket again, for example this one, you see that there is no app here. Earlier we had the app. Okay. So now what I want to do is install the new app, which is very easy. Just in manage, you do upload a private app because you're going to be uploading directly here. Give the app a name. I usually call these BabelConnect. If you have more than one, then you might need to give it another name. Choose the file. Okay, and then upload. Confirm that you want to upload, and then it'll be queued. This can take some time. Sometimes very fast, sometimes a little bit slower. This was very fast, great. You don't need to enable role restrictions or group restrictions or anything like that on the application. Okay, just install. Now that it's uploaded, and now we have a BabelConnect, it's installed. There's nothing else to do. Then to verify that it's there, you just need to go to a ticket. Okay, and here we have the version of the application. If you go to that's all, let's do it.